Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two headphones in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly we start design. Design over ear. Dimensions 7.7 into 7.1 into 1.8 inch and 13.9 into 11 into 3.8 inch. Weight 293 gram and 334 gram. Color black. Stereo speakers yes. SWOT resistance no and yes. Part 2 sound quality. Active noise cancellation yes. Lowest frequency 6 Hz and 20 Hz. Highest frequency 22,000 Hz. Impedance 16 ohms and 39 ohms. Driver unit size 42 mm and 50 mm. Bass amount 3.63 dB and minus 0.88 dB. Travel amount minus 1.33 dB and 0.71 dB. Peaks and dips 1.49 dB, 1.08 dB and 2.01 dB, 1.47 dB. Sound pressure level 106 dB and 97.5 dB. Passive noise radiation yes. Part 3 connectivity. Bluetooth 5.2 and 5.1. Multi-device pairing 2 device. Bluetooth range 10 meter and 100 meter. aptX low latency no and yes. USB input no. Wide USB audio plus microphone. Analog audio only. Part 4 battery. Battery type rechargeable. Battery life 62.3 hours and 34.5 hours. Power saving features auto off timer. Charge time 2.2 hours and 3 hours. Charging port USB-C. Wireless charging yes and no. Battery level indicator yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates subscribe to my channel.